Hello guys, welcome back in Docker for Beginner video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Salim and it's a short video tutorial where I'm gonna show you if you don't have Windows Enterprise or Ultimate Edition, then or you don't want to install Docker in your local machine or system, then how you can make your practice or you can play with Docker. So here is a site labs.playwithdocker.com, and just go here. I have a here option to start because I'm logged in, and this Docker playground you can set. So it's a very easy and simple, and you can log in here from your Docker account which we created in our last video tutorial. Just go to start, and here you will find a session which is for up to 4 hours. You can make any practice here, but these your practice or image will not save. It will be delete after 4 hours or when you remove close this session. I'm going to add a new instance. Here we find our IP, and here all the bunch of information, our SSH. There's IP URL we can access from here, and here is our editor. About the information of memory and CPU here, and the port is here. This is 192.168.0.8, and okay, now it started. If I check here docker hyphen version, let's hit enter. Here we have a docker, this version 20.10.0. If I run our previous image, which is docker run, same or this time I'm going to pull hello world. Let's hit enter. Now it's default tag, it's latest, and it's pulling and download, it's complete. Now I'm going to run this hello world image, and I have to type here docker run hello world. Hit enter. Now it's show us where you run the command. Yeah, here hello from docker. Now this image is giving us the output, and the whole bunch of information which we discussed before. So it's a very easy and short and quick way. If you don't want to install docker in your local machine, just you can use this labs.paywithdocker.com and create your account, sign in, and here you can make your practice, or you can play with docker. It's a docker playground. Now I'm going to close this session or delete this session. As I make it the close session or delete, your session timeout, and this session is expired, means the command these images is no more available for me. So that's for this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial we will discuss about containers.